my first morning in the United States, you know, in South Carolina. To be honest, it was a little bit chilly last night, but I sleep so comfortable. And as you can see, look, I'm in this big fucking jacket, you know, because it's super cold, you know. But now I'm heading to the Walmart to do a little shopping, to pick up some food, you know. Maybe some ready food, or pick up some food to cook later, you know. But me and Akanke, everything going good, everything going nice so far, you know. And I say the sun is coming up. You can see it over there.
Sun is so bright and beautiful this morning.
Yes?
Sun is so bright and beautiful this morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's cold.
Yes. But I think Akanke balling for cold even more than me, to be honest with you, you know. So it's a little bit strange, you know. And it's a very nice, good neighborhood. You can see it outside, look.
This is a predominantly black area. This predominantly black area that I live in.
Yes. And it's like say 75% of the people, even maybe 80, 90 is a black community right here, you know. Yes, so I'm feeling good and I'm feeling comfortable here around the people in the community, and super nice, I say, for now. So let me see how the day go by later, right, Akanke?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's only gonna get better though.
I don't hope, I know it will get better than better than better. And I'm just here chilling in America for 3 weeks, and then I go back to my freelance Airbnb in Jamaica, you know. But to be honest, I will be always back and forth, you know. I even coming through the airport, it's on go Miami was a little bit shicey, you know. It's overcrowded because we have to change flight in Miami to catch a next flight to come to Carolina, you know. So it was a little bit hectic and stressful, you know. But to be honest, in the immigration system, I have no problem, you know. I didn't fill out an immigration form, nothing, you know. All I do is just swipe my passport and I just go through, you know. So everything working good, everything working smart, you know, smooth, you know. So I'm happy to be here in the United States, and I'm planning to go to New York, maybe a couple days from now. I'm planning to go to New York because my dream was always to go to New York and go to Times Square, and my favorite spot is to go to Statue of Liberty, you know. I want to see that, you know. Yes, I was always dreaming about that, so I'm gonna do a few little run around in the United States before I go back. I even wanna go to Maryland, DC, because in the 90s I was at Washington DC with a lady named Shirley Keys, you know. That's my first time in the United States, you know. So I want to go there and bring back that memory, and that's where Akanke original from, you know, Washington DC, right, Akanke?
That's right. Born and raised, the nation's capital.
Yes. So everything good, everything nice so far, and I say you can see the sun coming over.
Yes, Baba. So beautiful. Every day, so beautiful.
Yes. So it's so nice here and chill in the morning, you know, just freelancing, you know, in a Akanke beautiful car, hybrid car, you know. It's a very nice car.
It's little, it's nothing fancy. It's not fancy, it's just a little something to get me from point A to point B. I don't need anything super fancy. But yeah.
And that's the same thing, you know. We need a little car to in Jamaica, you know, me and Akanke, you know, just to take you from point A to point B. Because we're not looking for luxurious vehicle, you know. It's just when we want to go somewhere and enjoy ourselves and tour around the island of Jamaica, freelance style, and make video and things like that. Right, Akanke?
Yeah. We need a little car, so we're gonna try to make it happen soon.
All we have to do, put some money together and do what we have to do, you know, because it's all about balance, you know. It's not for one person to just do money and things like that. Freelance Chucky is not here for that type of purpose, you know. I'm always thinking to give something and Akanke give something, and then we make it work together, okay?
Absolutely.
Yes, it's all about balance, you know.
Yeah.
No one try to manipulate no one, you know.
Exactly.
It's all about honesty, you know.
Exactly. And we're super good and supportive with each other like that. Like he bring to the table and I bring to the table. He bring to the table and I bring to the table. And we balance it out that way, and it works so perfect and so easy.
Yes, that's how it works between me and Akanke, you know. Super nice, and we balance out everything just like what Akanke says. So now we here at Babylon Walmart, you know. It's my first time in my life. I'm gonna go inside of a Walmart, you know. But I always hear people talk about Walmart, you know. And now I'm gonna experience the reality inside here. So my people, everything is good, everything is nice. United States. Freelance Chucky.
We about to walk in. Let's show the people. Show the people around the world what this infamous Walmart looks like. Famous Walmart. Woo! Walmart in South Carolina. Here,
It's a little bit. It's a little bit. To be honest with you, it's a little bit super cool now in the morning, you know. But as Akanke can say, it's not so bad, you know. It's not so cold, you know. And you see the sun coming up over there. And as soon as the day go by, it will be getting better, then better, then better. But the longer I stand up here and look in the camera and start to talk to you, it's getting fucking shicey cold around my head, to be honest, you know. So now, so now we heading to the Walmart, you know. So I'm gonna experience this super nice and super big store together. Okay?
Walmart, here we come.
But it's a little bit chilly.
And it's early. It's super early in the morning, so it's not a lot of people out here. You know, the holiday season is approaching. Oh my goodness. I bet you this past Friday was absolutely crazy. Black Friday.
Yes, I think that's super crazy.
Black Friday, people go absolutely nuts.
And you can see the people in here rushing in.
Yeah, they rush the doors and knock people over. They come in and fight over TVs and all kind of stuff. I mean, it get crazy Black Friday. They be hyped up on Black Friday. So yes, we're walking into Walmart now. This is Big Babylon. Big Babylon.
This is big time Babylon, you know. And it's first I ever come into a supermarket so fucking big, you know. They have here from a pin to a hankai. I can show you.
Yep. Everything. Groceries, oil for your car, tires,
Morning.
clothes, baby diapers, deodorant.
Everything.
Any and everything you need.
Once you come in here, you will find everything you need, you know. And like as Akanke always say, you can see it here. It's really a black neighborhood, just black people around. Look.
Yeah, that's the majority of the demographic that lives on my side of town. That's the side of town that I live in.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't know that. It just happened that way. Just happened to be that way. So, first thing I need is a bucket, because my bucket at home has a little crack in the bottom. My mop bucket, so I can mop my floors, has a little crack in the bottom. So I'm going to replace my mop bucket, and then I'm gonna grab a few other things and look around a little bit with Chucky, get him acclimated. See, all the baby stuff. You got baby stuff. You got grocery stuff on this side. You got TVs in the back, all the way in the back. So let me see where I can find a mop bucket. All right, so we're gonna just peruse through Walmart for a while and find some of the items that we need and get up out of here. Head back to the house.
And like I said, I feel like just staying in the Walmart, you know, because the eating here is so good, you know. It's not so hot, you know. And you see, they have a lot of jeans here, you know. If you need jeans, you can come here. Look at the price. The price is not so bad, you know. And you see Akanke here just chilling in our winter shoes.
My boots, so cold.
Yes. They have everything here.
Black Friday deals. What's today? Sunday?
Yeah.
So we landed yesterday on Saturday, so we missed Black Friday by a day. I wouldn't have come out here anyway, not on Black Friday. But
I wouldn't come out here neither, because to be honest with you, I don't support these things, Black Friday and all this madness, you know. I think they should change the name, you know, to a different name, you know. Because it seems like some black people want to spend money in this fucking Babylon economy, you know. It's not good, you know. So black people need to wise up and move away from this fucking crazy, what they call Black Friday, you know.
big TVs back there. They got GoPros back there.
GoPros?
Mm-hmm.
Let's walk over there.
TVs, GoPros, stereo speakers.
Is the speaker you have for your TV a while ago? It seems so. That make it play so super good. It's not so expensive.
Cameras.
Got
TV, 40-inch TV.
168. You can see the price for TV.
Tripods, all your camera accessories. Microphone, if you need a microphone for your smartphone. For those content creators out there. SD cards. For those content creators out there, I'll grab one of these.
One of these?
Yes. Probably grab 2 of these. I gotta get the lady though to unlock it.
So you see nice TV over here. Smart TV.
He's gonna help me.
And which SD card do you want to get?
He's gonna help me with an SD.
Alright, we'll have the 20p at the counter. Was there anything else you were looking for?
I'm gonna come back because I gotta get grab. Let me see if it's high speed. Fast speed, yes, it's fast speed. Yes,
Alright.
I'll be back in about
Okay.
5 minutes, 10 minutes.
So we will take the counter right
Okay. Yeah. Perfect. I need those. I should have got 3
Yeah.
just in case I lose one.
Yeah.
But they're $50. They're $50. So, but anyway, we're gonna finish up here in Walmart, and we'll be back.
We'll be back. Okay. It's a good look. And it's a nice place. Like I always say, super nice place, you know. So if you're looking for something and you don't have big money, this is the place you're supposed to come when you're in the United States. You go to Walmart, and Walmart is all over United States, okay? Nice speaker bags. Maybe I need to buy one of these speaker bags and bring back to Jamaica, you know. And Bluetooth, you know. Yes. Because they are not so expensive, you know. You see the price?
Turn the camera on.
They're not so expensive.
Yeah, the prices are down here. Baby, I gotta get my mop bucket. I want to get back home and change one. I'm not rushing, but I do want to mop my floor and shampoo my carpets a little bit. We got the whole day to do anything, whatever we want.
Yeah. And true, Akanke was away chilling in Jamaica with me at my place, you know. Now she come back and get so crazy and just want to fix up the place, you know.
It's true. Because I was gone and my son, my 20-year-old son, had free reign of the house. So you know what that means. It's not the way I would have left it. So I come back and yes, I have to tidy up and mop and sanitize the place.
Yes, it's true. You know, kids stay. You know, when the parents are away, they're gonna do things for them own way. You know. Yes, this is some of the things I need for my place in Jamaica. You know, to lock up things the proper way. You know. It's like these you buy.
And they're $3 here.
$3.
$5 for the big one. In Jamaica. I'm trying to find the mop bucket. That's what I'm really trying to find. I might have to ask somebody. This place is so thin.
This is the one you just used.
Yeah, this is to get out the stains, the stains out of the carpet. Like I have 2 little dogs and one of them is super old, so sometimes she pees on the carpet by accident. So I do this as soon as to lift up. It's a carpet shampooer.
And they're not expensive, to be honest with you. Look on the price.
This one isn't expensive. This one is $149. This is the kind that I have at home. This is a good one.
Which one?
This one, Bissell.
Yeah.
Now this is kind of expensive.
This one too.
Yeah, these are expensive. But
so right now I'm the professional cameraman, you know. Yes, I'm the cameraman.
I don't see anybody. Usually you see people in here working. You can ask them, "Where's this? Where's that?" I don't see nobody in here.
Everybody may be on holiday, you know. Anything you can get here for your kitchen, utensil. It's all over the place. You know? There's black people around. I don't want she lost me in the Walmart, you know, so I have to be very fucking careful, you know. Cannot make she walk away and leave me. Now she getting hot, look.
Yeah, because I had to dress really warm. It's super cold outside. It's like 30 degrees Fahrenheit. That's freezing almost weather. I don't know. I'm assuming it was cold. It was cold.
Super cold.
Yeah. And look at this guy.
It's scheiße, you know. Look at Freelance Chucky in America. Yeah? I can't believe it, you know. I'm in big jacket and things like that, you know. And my hands, you can see it start to change. They become more clearer, more whiter, you know.
Yeah, ashy.
You know?
Ashy, yeah.
But.
And my lips are becoming like dry and.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too. My lips becoming by dry now, you know, so maybe I still have to grab some lip gloss, you know. Yes. To be honest.
Maybe they're back here. Paint and hardware. Okay, so I'm asking this gentleman how he's working in the most important part of the store when it comes to Black Friday, right? In America.
Either hit yes or no on the console if you were sent out the protection plan.
No. So can you tell us what your experience was on Black Friday?
It was crazy, very crazy.
Were people fighting?
I do not remember. All I remember it was crazy that day.
We told you. He can't even really put it into words. All he can say is it was crazy.
$143.
Okay. If you guys have never seen the craziness of Black Friday at Walmart, look it up on YouTube.
Yes, I think it's super crazy, you know, because during that time Walmart's already cheap, and you know Black Friday they even drop the prices less, you know, so you must expect say hundreds and hundreds of people was inside here shopping, you know. You can see Akanke.
We missed it.
She buying, you know.
Yep.
She buy an antenna for the TV because she bring the antenna to Freelance Chucky place and leave it in Jamaica. So now she's in Walmart purchasing a new antenna.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. You're welcome. We're done here. I gotta go find my mop bucket. What I really came out for.
Yeah. And you can see over here iPad, laptop, all different prices for these things. And I think it's really good price. They are not so expensive. Same over there. Not expensive.
about getting a new laptop.
Yeah? You thinking about what?
Getting a new laptop.
Getting a new laptop?
Yeah, my laptop is acting crazy.
Akanke say a laptop is just freelance and just doing what they want, what the laptop want to do sometimes. It just work out by its own freelance style. You know? So she's thinking about to purchase one of these.
Maybe in the future. Did you need to find anything out of here? Is there anything you? Oh, the plastic bags you don't need.
Well, to be honest, this is my first day in the early morning walking in Walmart, and there's a lot of things in here, but I'm not here for that right now. You know, I'm just looking around. You know, I shop, we call it in Jamaica. You know, so later, and when I close to go back to Jamaica, I think I will come and make some shop over here.
Okay.
There.
All right, that sounds good.
Yeah. Oh, people, to be honest with you, I was in Walmart a while ago, you can see it over there. And as I come back out of Walmart and come out to go inside our car, it's the wind out here is so fucking super cold, you know, but not really cold, you know, but you can feel it, you know. You can feel it. Even my lip, they're getting a little bit dry, like I said before. I soon have to buy some lip gloss, you know. And you can see the sun coming up over there. But the sun, not so strong. Not so strong. I don't know if later in the day it will become stronger. And this is Akanke car, you know, hybrid. Electric and gas, this car. Walmart. It's super cool, to be honest with you. Akanke and his hybrid car, you know. So now we're gonna freelance drive back home, you know, and do some homework. Because she need to clean up the place. Like she said before, she leave her 20-year-old son and this guy was having party there, you know.
I don't know that. I can't say he was having parties, but shit, maybe he was. I don't know.
He was having a good time. You know, young people say having a good time with his girlfriend and enjoying life, you know.
Probably.
Yeah?
Probably, despite me saying nobody's invited inside. Don't let nobody inside.
Yeah, but you know when puss gone,
the mice will play.
the mice take charge. So what goes around comes around, you know. It's just a karma because Akanke do that too when she was young.
I sure did.
So
listen. Woo.
So that's why I always say sometimes we parents have to give and take, you know, because we have to remember our past growing up to when it was young, you know. We do crazy things, you know, so we cannot just beat down the kids all the while and blah blah blah. But it's good to tell them, you know, make them have an experience that we do that and it's not so nice, you know.
Yeah.
But yes, but at the end of the day, they have to face their own reality. So you can see McDonald's over there in Babylon, you know. And now we are at the stoplight.